Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Hello, we are from group 3 and our member is me, Amanda Jasmine, and Novika Duha, Diana Hairunisa, and M. Rofi Ramada. So first of all, I want to explain about definition of variables. Variable is a term often used in project research. A variable, in layman's parlance, is something that can change or can have more than one value. A variable, as the name implies, is something that varies. It can be an attribute, value, or property of an object, an individual, or activity that has many certain variations between one and another that have been determined by researchers to study and seek information and draw conclusions. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, various variables. According to the relationship between one variable and another variable can be classified based on several criteria, namely A, based on its relationship with other variables, include independent variable, is variable that affect other variables, and dependent variable is variable affected by the independent variable, and then moderator variable and variable control variables, variable control, and then intervening variables, and the last mediation variable. And B, by its nature, include quantitative variables, is variables that can be measured numerically, and the last qualitative variables include is variables that cannot be measured numerically, and the last is based on how it is measured. Based on how it is measured, it is include nominal variable is a variable that has a category or classification, and ordinal variables is variable that have a sequence or tier, and interval variable is a variable that has the same distance or difference between categories, and the last is ratio variable is a variable that has the same distance or difference between categories and has an absolute 0 point. So, menurut hubungannya antara satu variabel dengan variabel yang lain itu variabel digolongkan dari berdasarkan beberapa kriteria. Itu tadi ada berdasarkan hubungan dengan variabel lain, terus ada juga yang berdasarkan sifatnya, dan yang ketiga itu berdasarkan cara pengukurannya. I think it is enough for me. Next will be delivered by Diana.
Okay, the next material, the importance of variable in research. Variables have an important role in research, namely, become the basic of research. Variables are the focus of the research to be carried out. The next, that determine the research design. The variable set will determine the research design to be used and determine the research instrument. The variable to be measured will determine the research instrument to be used and determine data analysis techniques. The variable to be analyzed will determine the data analysis technique to be used. Determine the result of the study. The variable to be studied will determine the result of the research to be obtained. And next, dependent variable and independent variable. Independent and dependent variable are the two main variables on which scientific independent and dependent variable have a significant influence on the study. Independent variable determine the direction and focus of the study. By determining the independent variable, the research can focus the research on the relationship between the independent and dependent variable. In volatile, independent and dependent variable influence the study as follows: A. The independent variable determine the focus of the study. B. The independent variable determine the research method to be used. And C. The independent variable determine the data analysis to be used. And D. The dependent variable determines the outcome of the study. Okay, that's all for material.
Okay, the next material I will explain. The next material is sequence of variable types. The type of variable is one of the important components in quantitative research. The type of variable will determine the method of data collection and statistical analysis used. The type of variable will determine the appropriate data collection method used. The type of variable will determine, for example, quantitative variable can be collected using survey, experiment, or observation method. Meanwhile, qualitative variables can be collected using interview, case study, or ethnographic methods. And the effect of variable types on static analysis is the type of variable will also determine the appropriate statistical analysis method in use. For example, quantitative variable can be analyzed using descriptive statistical methods or inferential statistics. Meanwhile, qualitative variable can be analyzed using qualitative data analysis method. And the next is various analysis techniques in variables. The relationship between variables is one of the important aspects in research. The purpose of the study is to find out the relationship between the variables studied. Therefore, the selection of the right analysis technique to understand the relationship between variables is important. In general, analytical techniques to understand the relationship between variables can be divided in two types: quantitative analysis technique and qualitative analysis technique. Quantitative analysis techniques include correlation analysis, regression analysis, and analysis of variance. Correlation analysis used to find out the strength and direction the relationship between two variables. Regression analysis used to find out the causal relationship between two or more variables. Analysis of variance used to find out the relationship between one's variables or two or more variables. And number 2 is qualitative analysis technique. Qualitative analysis techniques that are often used to understand the relationship between variables include content analysis, thematic analysis, and narrative analysis. Content analysis used to analyze the content of text, image, or video. Thematic analysis used to analyze patterns or themes that appear in data. Narrative analysis used to analyze stories of narrative that are in the data. So that's all my material. I will return to moderator.
All right. So from the material that presented by our presenter, we can conclude that variables are key components in research that allow us to understand the relationship between different aspects in a study. We have explained various important aspects related to variables, including variable types, the influence of variable types on data collection, the influence of variable types on statistical analysis, and various analytical techniques that can be used to understand the relationship between variables. By understanding the appropriate variables and analysis techniques, researchers can design and carry out effective project research and produce relevant and meaningful results. Good research project can make a positive contribution to the development of science and problem solving in various fields. So I think that's all about variables from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.